Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have been seeing people posting stories with music on them on Instagram, and you want to do the same thing to your stories. Today in this video I'll show you how can you add music to your Instagram stories very easily. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, because since we're gonna be using of course the Instagram app for this process, we need to make sure it is updated for everything to work properly and for nothing to go wrong in this process. After that, quit the store, open Instagram, make sure you are logged in, and then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner right here to add a story, just like that. And now from here, just tap on the picture that you want to add as a story, or you can just even use videos. From here, to add music, all you need to do is to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You get this menu, tap on music, and simply from here you can use a song from the suggestions, or you can search for one in the top. You can even do this from here in the top right corner right there without needing to swipe up from the bottom. So tap there, you can choose a song from here, or you can search for a song if you have one in mind, and once you find it, just tap on it. From here you can even add on lyrics to the song. As you can see, it is automatically generated. You can change the font of the lyrics if you want. You can swipe to the right side of this little options to find the posters and pictures of the music. Now from here you can choose the part of the song that you want to play on your story, and once the story or the music looks good, you can tap on done in the top right corner. And here you go guys, you have added music to your story. If you're sure that story looks good and that's how you want it, tap here in the bottom right corner to post it, and it will be posted with the music that you have chosen. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.